Bypass macOS upload dialog. Unlock automation.
But there's a problem with this new Claude thing that no one seems to be able to solve. The automation freezes when the Mac's operating system pops up a window to upload a file.
But there's a problem with this new Claude thing that no one seems to be able to solve. The automation runs fine, right up until macOS throws up the file upload window, and then it just sits there, stuck.
This is a common issue with automation, and it applies when using Claude as well. The problem arises when you interact with a web page and need to upload files, in this case, subtitle files in different languages for a YouTube video. What happens is that the file upload button triggers a built-in pop-up window in macOS. This cannot be controlled by Claude for security reasons. According to Claude, there is simply no way to get around this. But you need to be able to upload files to automate a workflow, so how do you solve this? We have to use a somewhat questionable hacker technique and capture the file upload pop-up window before it appears and inject the file into the page. The end justifies the means, as they say it's now a matter of automating everything or falling behind, so pathetic security blocks must not stand in the way of automation, in my opinion. So Claude is using the trained skill to navigate in YouTube Studio, here at click add, and the upload file. This is where everyone usually gets stuck forever. Claude clicks continue and the file upload pop-up should appear, but doesn't. Like magic, the text from the file on the computer gets injected straight into the page by passing the file upload pop-up completely with a secret JS solution. But not so secret for you if you buy this skill or program.